Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to size a hockey stick just like this one. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I'm going to try and keep this short and sweet and get straight into the point, okay? Now, just for full disclosure, you're thinking, this is a pretty short stick, Michael. Why are you using such a short stick? Well, this is my son Luke's hockey stick, as you can see right here, Luke C. This is his hockey stick. He's 5 at the time that I'm filming this, so this is not my stick, but I did size it for him, so I'm going to share sort of what I did with you. So essentially what you want to do is, I'm trying not to damage my ceiling when I do this in my basement bathroom over here. You want to get the toe, there we go, I hit the ceiling once. There was already a mark up there, I think I added to it, but anyways, I'll patch that up another day. Well, hopefully, I'm going to put it on the honey-do list, and then when I get to it, I'll get to it. I'm kidding. I'll probably end up doing that next week. Lots of work to be done in here. Essentially, what you want to do is you want to get the toe of the hockey stick, which is this part right here on the blade. And you want to place this flat on the ground, just like this, okay? And you want to try and get the stick to be pretty much vertical. Not like this, but pretty much vertical, okay? So place it on the ground. You want the stick to be vertical. The actual shaft of the stick to be vertical, and you want the person to be standing without skates. When they're standing without skates, you want to make a mark, essentially, wherever, roughly just slightly above their nose level. So if you're looking at their nose, not right here, but probably right about here, just like on the top portion of the tip of their nose. Then you want to get where that mark is, and you want to cut the stick, okay? There are different methods for cutting different types of sticks, blah, blah, blah. This is just a straight up wooden stick, so it's easy. I literally just got a handsaw and I cut it, and then I just sanded off the edges just to sort of round it off. I'm going to be putting a grip on it shortly, but just to sort of smooth it out for the time being. And that's basically it. And this way, when the person goes on skates, you want the stick to sort of be between their chin and their mouth, give or take. So if you measure the stick to about here, and then they get on skates, it's going to be about here, because skates are a few inches tall. They add a few inches. And that's essentially it. That is how to size a hockey stick, and also how to cut it as well. Now, different hockey sticks require different methods, so don't just go and cut it. You have to sort of figure out how to do it properly. This is just a plain wooden stick. It's his first year playing hockey, so we're just getting him started. So we just got him a very simple, basic stick. And I will be wrapping it with grip tape, with hockey tape, in future videos that I'm going to do right now. So stay tuned for those as well. But for this video, I just wanted to show you and tell you how to size it to get it to be the right size. Once again, toe on the ground, just like that. Shaft of the stick vertical. You want to make a mark, roughly about there on the nose level, and then cut it where the mark is. And then, like I said, you can put grip around it, but I always sand it down just to sort of make it look a little bit better. Here's the piece that I cut off, just so you can see. This was the original size of the stick, and then I cut this piece off, and now it's shorter. So he can play, a little bit more functionally in terms of you need the right stick size. Obviously, a little bit taller, a little bit shorter is okay. I like to do it, I did it about an inch taller than where I should have. So I measured where I wanted it to be on his, his nose level, and I went about an inch taller because I know he's gonna grow like literally a lot in the next little bit. So he'll sort of grow into the stick, right? He's got another inch of growth within the stick, which should hopefully last him roughly the hockey season, give or take. So that's just another tip. And if you have someone that's growing, you can do it a little bit taller because they'll sort of grow into it a little bit. Maybe an inch and a half taller is probably perfectly fine. It's better to have a stick that's slightly too tall than slightly too short. Always remember that. But that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And remember, before I finish this, I just want to say one thing. This is something I've been saying to myself over and over, and I figured, not related to hockey, but if you're motivated to play hockey, you're going to like this. Remember, you are courageous. You are strong. You are brave. You are a brave person. You are a courageous person. You are a strong, super strong, incredible Hulk strength level person. Don't forget that. And that's truly it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.